Welcome to ManTech HD. In this video we are showing you the all-new Rivian electric truck. Rivian is an American startup company about to launch an upscale, off-road ready electric pickup truck called R1T. It is claimed to be quick and capable for off-road excursions. Let's see more information about Rivian R1T and production and feature specifications along with its price in all models. Rivian, the startup electric vehicle maker whose inaugural truck, SUV, and Amazon delivery van have captured the auto world's attention and billions of dollars in investor seed money, is launching production in June from a converted Mitsubishi factory, and gearing up fast. Powering through a pandemic, the first production vehicle, a $75,000 launch version of Rivian's electric truck, will roll off the line more than a half year behind schedule. It will be the first vehicle to be built on the site since the Mitsubishi plant closed 6 years ago. Rivian is set to eventually offer the R1T pickup with 3 levels of output. The most powerful will be a 754 horsepower, 562 kilowatt model. It provides an estimated 0 to 60 miles per hour time of about 3 seconds, according to Rivian. It's expected to reach 100 miles per hour in less than 7 seconds, on its way to a top track speed of 125 miles per hour. A longer range model producing 700 horsepower will also be offered at launch. About 6 months later, a less expensive, shorter range, 402 horsepower R1T will go on sale. All Rivian R1Ts come standard with all-wheel drive, thanks to the use of electric motors at each wheel. Rivian is now accelerating its production ramp-up in order to get customers' vehicles more quickly. But launching 3 vehicles in 2021, the R1S, R1T, and an electric delivery van for Amazon, which has a stake in the electric vehicles maker, is a complex undertaking as per Rivian. Adding to the complexity is the fact that Rivian is developing its consumer vehicles in multiple trims and battery configurations. Rivian has emerged as one of the more promising challengers to Tesla in the electric vehicles space. The company has received more than $6 billion in funding to date from investors including BlackRock, T. Rowe Price, Amazon, and Ford. The battery-powered pickup segment is set to explode over the coming years, with Tesla, Ford, General Motors, and a handful of electric vehicles upstarts all planning electric trucks. And even considering its reported production constraints, Rivian may very well beat all those other players to market when customers start taking deliveries of the R1T next summer. If we talk about its performance level, it can drive through 3 feet of water, rock crawl at a 100% grade, traverse just about any terrain with 14 inches of ground clearance. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time in as quick as 3 seconds depending on your tire selection, it also delivers the on-road handling of a sports car. On its cloud-based architecture and network of onboard computers integrate your vehicle, charging and Rivian app through a single user interface. Over-the-air updates continuously enhance the vehicle, updating everything from driving dynamics to the games on your touch screen. Its interior inspired by overland trips, off-road detours and long weekends in the woods. The R1T is designed with premium, adventure-proof materials that welcome mud, sand, and everything else you can throw at it. The Rivian platform includes our battery pack, drive units, suspension, thermal and lower body structure. These systems have been elegantly packaged to preserve cabin space for occupants and gear while providing a low center of gravity for more confident driving. About its outside: researching in the field, hauling gear, loading bikes, wrestling wetsuits, cooking out, sleeping under the stars. In the end, these experiences resulted in a purpose-built truck equipped to handle any adventure. With its storage between the bed, front trunk, rear storage bin, under-seat compartments, center console and gear tunnel, there are over 68 cubic feet of storage solutions for every usage. It's perfect load in dirt bikes or sheets of plywood on a structural composite bed that's wear and corrosion resistant. Two 120V outlets, a lockable, weatherproof tonneau cover and room under the bed floor for an optional full-size spare are standard on all vehicles. The Rivian R1T makes an entrance with a light bar spanning the entire front end. It's punctuated with a pair of vertical stadium headlights. The R1T's long wheelbase creates short front and rear overhangs, which, when combined with its high ground clearance, give the truck the look of a formidable off-roader. The cab includes a panoramic glass roof. Rivian expects to offer a removable roof option in 2022. It's about the same width as the Ridgeline and a couple of inches taller. There are openings on each side to access the gear tunnel between the back of the cab and the rear wheel wells. We'll talk about that unique feature more in the payload section. Both the Rivian R1T pickup and R1S SUV are built on the company's skateboard platform, which holds the battery and drivetrain very low in the design. The Rivian R1T's specification sheet describes a formidable off-roader, 14.4 inches of ground clearance, air suspension, and a water-fording depth of more than 3 feet. Its available adventure package adds front tow hooks, an air compressor, and a reinforced underbody shield. That's not all, though. The truck's electric powertrain will provide ample torque for off-road adventures such as rock crawling. By powering the wheels on each side of the vehicle in different directions, the R1T can turn on its center axis, performing what's known as a tank turn. Buyers have multiple wheel choices, including a 20-inch all-terrain option and 22-inch sport wheels. Because the truck's skateboard platform keeps most of the weight down low, it won't have many pickup trucks' top-heavy handling. That's a good thing, as its powertrain will offer supercar-like levels of performance. The gear tunnel holds 11.9 cubic feet of cargo room, and can be accessed by doors on both sides of the truck. Those doors are strong enough that you can use them as steps to access the bed from the side of the truck. The company has introduced an optional camp kitchen package that slides out of the tunnel, providing a workspace and an electric induction stove. More gear tunnel options are expected. An amazing experience with the magic of outdoor cooking, with all the essentials from home. Our camp kitchen enables you to prepare complete meals wherever you are easily, comfortably, and with a view, where you can connect the coffee machine, electric oven, or other electronic equipment of kitchen with kitchen cutleries and utensils. This truck is a perfect solution to move with a perfect complete equipped kitchen. If we talk about the space of the truck's bed is a bit more than 51 inches wide and 54 inches long with the tailgate up. That's wide enough for a standard sheet of plywood, but nowhere near long enough. With the tailgate down, the bed is 83.8 inches long, which will still leave a 4x8 foot sheet of plywood hanging over the edge. A manual tonneau cover with a lock comes standard, with a power-operated bed cover available. Its starting price at $67,500 before the federal tax credit. The R1T is a 5-passenger crew cab that's priced like high-end truck from Ford, GM, or Ram. The truck has a claimed 300 to 400 mile range, depending on the various battery pack. If you get some information from our video, so please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for watching more videos of ManTech HD.